afternoon, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, current President of Ghana, on the 17th of October 2024, you said to the then President of Ghana, Nana Addo, that it is your responsibility to deal with Galamsey now and not mine, because you are just a political leader and not the commander-in-chief of Ghana. And this is exactly what you said at Ningo Prampram.
As Sam George said, President Addo said I should come out clearly on Galamsey. It looks like he doesn't live in this country, because I've commented on Galamsey over and over again. The Ministry of Energy and Natural Resources gave political leaders the platform to outline their policy on small-scale mining. And for a whole hour, I outlined our policy. After that, there was questions and answers for 2 hours. We were there for 3 hours. So he should just tell his Flagstaff House media to get him the tape of what I said at the University of Energy and Natural Resources. Recently, when I met the clergymen, the Christian community, a part of my speech and the questions and answers was again on Galamsey and small-scale mining. And so, I mean, there's a lot that I've said. It is his responsibility. The people of Ghana elected him. He is currently the president of Ghana. And it is his responsibility to deal with Galamsey now. I know that after 7 January 2025, when Ghanaians have voted for me, I will take that responsibility and we will sort out illegal mining.
Thank you for your words so sweet, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. 7th December, Ghanaians voted massively for you. So in today, 2025, you are the President of Ghana, the Commander-in-Chief. So you don't need to go, you are no longer required to go and comment on how to stop Galamsey or to state your policy on how to stop Galamsey. Today you have the power and the mandate. And what have you done so far to stop Galamsey, illegal mining? Remember, small-scale mining and Galamsey are not the same. Small-scale mining is licensed small-scale miners. Galamsey are small-scale miners without license, illegal. You see, talk is cheap. There is a gentleman who works for Joy, Erastus Asaredonko. 17 hours ago, 2 Chinese and 2 Ghanaian illegal miners were today arrested in the Tano Area Forest Reserve. 21 hours ago, Erastus said, I challenged the minister. Mention the names of the forest they have clawed back. I also gave names of forests with active mining currently. So, Mr. President, you see, Erastus, a journalist, is even working more than your Minister for Environment, Mr. Emmanuel Denzimaman. So all the policies you outlined when you were just a political leader, you have not been able to implement that one to stop Galamsey. Talk is cheap. Talk is cheap. If you really want to build a legacy like you said, then start working. Kofi, I can only comment on issues because I don't have power. Just like you did when you were just a political leader. Today, you are the man in charge of Ghana. When you speak, everybody will work. Treat Galamsey as domestic terrorism. Because some Ghanaians are destroying Ghana, which is affecting majority of Ghanaians. So, what do? As Commander-in-Chief, you deploy the army. You don't waste the taxpayers' money to say you are training water guards. Like seriously, the Ghana army, when have they been to war? Deploy the Ghana army now if you really want to solve Galamsey. Or it was not part of your policy outline. Or it has never been part of your comment on how to stop Galamsey. Or you have people in your party, NDC, doing Galamsey, who maybe supported you financially, so you can't do anything about it. Remember you said this. You said, Nanado, it is your responsibility to deal with Galamsey now, and not mine, because Nanado was the president. Today, John Dramani Mahama, this is your official profile picture as the president of Ghana. So it is your responsibility to deal with Galamsey, because you are the commander-in-chief of Ghana. Ghanaians have given you the mandate. Do the needful now and not tomorrow. Kofi, I am for Ghana because I was born there. I can never forget Ghana. I want to see a better Ghana. I have family members there. Today, I'm even supporting Ghana Black Stars. That's why I'm in my Black Stars GC. I know they are going to win 2 goals. By 2 goals. Let's all rally for a better Ghana. But the man to make Ghana better now is John Dramani Mahama. But he's not doing it. John Dramani Mahama, you have the mandate. Stop Galamsey now with just one command. Ghana Army, you are at war with illegal miners, domestic terrorism. And see if it will stop or not. If any military man takes bribe, court-martial that military man, jail him. It's as simple as ABCD. With harsh punishment, Galamsey will stop. And illegal mining, small-scale mining, licensed miners can mine without destroying the environment. It's as simple as ABCD. Cheers. A word to the wise, they say it's in the north. Mine is in this bottle. Cheers. The name is...
Alright, Ebusiafo. Where the home match ankasa. Back of you bibi. President John Dramani Mahama and Doa catcher home say press conference no ye and run meeting with the president or catch home say if the Galamsey say you cry or at the end of the day they are getting their money, then there's nothing wrong with it. But if a situation where the water will be damaging, the water will spoil, and they will not get anything out from it, then that will be a problem. You see, so this president that you people have opposed on us, people have opposed. Yes, Mudi share. What I say? This president now Mudi share by force. So same way now can Galamsey fight. And then Uko Galamsey fight beer, Galamsey side beer, agidi ni sa ni amana nyina koso. The NDC and President John Dramani Mahama has been there to promise the people 2024 am ko hon nyina besi baby a Galamsey unkofo kunto kwasisi a baby no uko honuma. The NDC have been there and they've promised the people that when they come, this is what they are going to allow them to do. But today they are in and they are doing different things. So that is why you hear that this place they are fighting so Galamsey with, they have clashed with the military and China Hasi. It's because John Dramani Mahama and the NDC have promised the people, but now failed to honor their promise. That is why all this thing is happening. So if President John Dramani Mahama in opposition say Nana Addo should declare state of emergency, but today that you were giving the nod, today you were giving the nod, what Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo couldn't do, you are now the president of this land. Declare that same thing that you were telling President John Dramani Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo say, Onyano. You see, you did 2 number, yeah. See, no, if the water is even when you look at damage crana, yenya good, aska eba, good born, there's nothing wrong with it. It is a very nice thing. It is nice. Me see, and uko ube Ghana is you, Shona Yenum, Shona Yenuma. Uko water west na east region whole side bushafo me say who nsuo na you will be shocked by now you will have this journalist how my yedi okurumasi yes